Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video here. It's a large box, so try and do the best I can to get it on video. Now I'm remembering this knife may not be sharp enough for this. It looks like it did okay there. So yeah, we have here is a Seiko Marinemaster. Wanted this watch for a long time. Finally was able to pick one up to try it out. So these are a little bit thick, maybe not necessarily for a dive watch, but thicker than what I prefer for a watch. So we'll see how long it stays in my collection. Alright, expert packaging job here, all kinds of bubble wrap. Very nicely done. So this does have some extra straps with it as well. Try not to cut anything that shouldn't be cut. Tape and bubble wrap galore. All right. There we go for that. I think this is the extra straps. Pulling off garbage. I need a trash can in the studio. Alright, let's check out what we have here first. Three minutes in. Wish I knew how to fast forward. It'd be a good thing to learn how to do. Okay, Crafter Blue. Nice color, orange strap. Not sure how the hardware works. Maybe it comes off with something else in here. Oh wow, all different kinds of. Okay. And then the Marinemaster 300 bracelet. This should, I believe it's. I don't know if it has a titanium clasp or not. Some of them do, some of them don't. Should be the ratcheting. How did you do the ratcheting? Okay, there it is. I thought you just pulled back on that. Yeah, okay. I wasn't doing it quite right. And I'm not zoomed in. Let's zoom in. So you pull up on this and then you can pull that. Actually, maybe this way is easier. Very neat system. Okay, so this one is stainless steel. I had one before that was titanium. Yeah, very cool. Well, let's take a quick look at these. I'll pause it and get this open here. So I guess he just felt like throwing in some extra straps, bracelets maybe? I don't know. But this is a Vostok, however you pronounce it, Russian. And That symbol looks familiar, but I can't really place it. Maybe that's Vostok as well. Looks like what is it? Cyrillic? So yeah, perhaps another Russian strap. Oh, bracelet. Sorry. All right, let's put those off to the side. Let's put this off to the side. Let's finally get to the watch after 5 minutes here. Very exciting. Seiko Pro Specs, and this is, it's on this one I just took off. This is the SLA021. I did a little bit of research into the different models before I bought this, and of course I don't remember all that right now, but I believe this is the current version. More bubble wrap. Let's see what's in here. Oh, so these would be the extra links for the Marinemaster bracelet, and of course the wonderful, not really wonderful, pin and collar system. Okay, more bubble wrap and tape, very nicely secured. What did I just do with my... And this saran wrap too. Oh, well, that's very neat. Extra Marinemaster clasp, and so that would just pin into the other crafter blue. Wow, very nice. Very nice assortment of straps and everything here with this. This works kind of backwards. Like, I think you would pull on this and then just pull, but you have to push and then pull. Maybe it's just me. Anyway, lots of adjustment there. Oh, are these the monolithic case? I feel like it's going to be the world's longest unboxing video. Okay, there we go. Very nice. Such a cool watch. Okay, that would be ceramic. A ceramic bezel insert, and I believe this one has a sapphire crystal. The previous ones had the hardlex. So it must be domed on the inside. Let's see if you can see that there. I can see it by eye at an extreme angle. It does kind of some weird stuff. I don't think it's a flat sapphire crystal, but I could be mistaken. So, I mean, in my mind, this would be Seiko's kind of a Submariner. It would compete with the Submariner. Yeah, very cool watch. Yeah, she definitely is thick. Yeah, so that's a monolithic case back, or a monocore, whatever you want to call it. It's just one solid piece. You don't have a screw back here to access the movement. That would be done by taking off the bezel, and then there's a nut in there you basically would turn to pull everything out from the front. Oh yeah, it's such a cool watch. Definitely is thick though. So anyway, let me get this on wrist. I forgot these would need to be cut to be sized. I don't know if I'll do that or not. We'll have to see. Pretty sure it'll be too big for my wrist. Yeah, dang. I have to remove quite a bit from this to get these to work. Alright, so there it is. Seiko Marinemaster. Let's zoom in on the dial. Such a cool watch. Well, let's take a look at the case back and then we'll close out the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. Looks like some scuffs or just gunk on the back here. I'll have to clean that off. Diver's watch, 300 meter for saturation diving. And then it says made in Japan. So yeah, very nice. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching.